Okay, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys quickly how you can reverse the scroll orientation of any mouse that you connect to your computer. So I previously made a video about how you can reverse mouse scroll on Windows 11, and that involved using the registry entry, and it was quite difficult to do if you had a lot of mice that you connected to your mouse, but this one is going to be really easy. Because here all you have to do is download this exe file, and you can go ahead and double click on it to run it. It is going to ask you to run it as an administrator, so just go ahead and click on yes for that. After that, this tab here will pop up, and as you can see, for me, I have flipped all of them. So if you want the normal orientation that Windows has, you can click on all normal here, but if you want them to be flipped for every mouse that you connect, then you can go ahead and flip all. And keep in mind, this is going to do it for every mouse that you have connected up until this point. So from now on, if you connect a new mouse, it will not be flipped, and you will have to double click on the exe and click on flip all again. You can also individually choose which one you want each mouse to orient towards when scrolling. And you can do that by just clicking here and choosing whichever one you want. And if you connected a mouse for a first time, then you can go ahead and go over to this menu, go ahead and flip all, and then you can either restart your computer for it to apply, or you can just disconnect your mouse and go ahead and connect it again by USB or Bluetooth. I found this exe file from GitHub here. It is actually quite old. It has been here for over 10 years now, I think. So in order to download this, I will leave the GitHub link for this in the description. All you have to do is go ahead and scroll down, and where it says binary, you want to go ahead and click on that. And from there, go ahead and click on download raw file, which will give you the exe file. Checking it on VirusTotal to see if the exe file is dangerous or not, it only pops up with 2, and only one of them is visible down here. So pretty much all the antiviruses think that this is safe. So in my opinion, this is a completely safe file to use. Hopefully this helps you out.